Parlez-vous anglais? Mark's parents live and work on a farm. It's their farm. Mark is their oldest son. They have 4 other children, 2 boys and 2 girls. They all help on the farm. The boys feed the horses and cows. The girls feed the chickens, geese, and pigs. The children still go to school, so they only help after classes and during the weekends. The parents are responsible for running the farm. They milk the cows, collect eggs, and slaughter the animals for meat. They sell all their produce to the local businesses. When the work is done, the children like to ride on pigs. How many children do Mark's parents have? Mark's parents have 5 children. Who helps on the farm? The children help on the farm. What do the boys do there? The boys feed the horses and cows. What do the girls do on the farm? The girls feed the chickens, geese, and pigs. When do they help on the farm? They help on the farm after school and during the weekends. What animals do they keep? They keep horses, cows, chickens, geese, and pigs. Do the children run the farm? No, the children don't run the farm. The parents run it. What do the parents do on the farm? They milk the cows, collect eggs, and slaughter the animals. Where do they sell their milk, meat, and eggs? They sell them to the local businesses. Do they sell their produce to Mark's restaurant? I don't know. Maybe. What do the children sometimes do after work? The children sometimes ride on the pigs. Bye, guys.